Hi, I'm Bromley. I'm the CEO of Bromley Sports and a four-time Olympic skeleton racer. Skeleton racing is one of the Olympic disciplines. It's head first, lying on a small high-tech sled, riding the sled down bobsleigh tracks at up to 90 miles an hour and pulling up to 5 times the force of gravity in the curves. I've won 1 World Championship, 2 overall World Cup Series titles, 3 European titles and multiple British national titles. Bromley Sports was set up in the year 2000 with my brother Richard. We were the founding directors of the company. Our customers are 22 nations competing in the Olympic Games for the skeleton sport, and that ranges from Russia to Korea to Norway, Switzerland, all the way through to Great Britain. Technology is absolutely pivotal in pushing the boundaries of performance. It's very similar to Formula One. You know, without the best car, a Formula One driver can't win the World Championships. Very similar in our sport. Without the best sled technology, an athlete really struggles to win Olympic medals and World Championships. We're very proud of the fact that we are, designed through to manufacture, and that's essentially where we pull most of our performance and innovation through. If we can change the aerodynamic drag by 5%, we can influence the downtime at the end of the course by 1 to 2 to 3 tenths of a second, and that's enough to take an athlete from 10th place right the way through to the gold medal position. It's important to design the sled with the athlete in mind. We design it around the ergonomics of the athletes, the pressure points from the shoulders and the knees, and the whole fit of the body, so they're very much a tailored piece of equipment specifically for individual athletes. The Roma arm with the integrated scanner is a key part of the research and development phase of the product. It helps us to reverse engineer athlete forms. It helps us to measure and make sure that what we're producing on machines and from the composites department, it helps us to understand that they're coming out the right size, shape and the precision that we need. The baseboard is a new product that we conceived and developed to fill a gap in the snow sport market. We recognised that the sled type products out there, it was very fragmented, it wasn't action sports stylised, and we wanted to develop a product that in essence brought the head first ride position of skeleton, which is an amazing adrenaline experience, but bring it in a safe way onto the snow. And we've employed a whole range of new materials into that particular product. The most important being the new thermoplastic composites that essentially underpin the product itself. Previously we'd subcontracted most of the tooling machining work, but we realised that we were missing a trick, so to speak, with innovation and not maximising the development process. By bringing that tooling design and manufacture process in-house, we can develop products faster, we can innovate more efficiently, we can create new designs, we can, if you like, develop iterations of those designs in a faster, more efficient manner, and it's really given us another string to our bow as a business and getting our products out there to the front and for our customers to buy. Well, VISI was the absolute right choice for us as a CAM partner, and we have the 4th axis simultaneous modules, and it's an extremely versatile software that gives us the capabilities to develop very complex tooling at one end down to prismatic style components down at the other end. But we use VISI for absolutely every component in the skeleton sled, the bobsleigh components that we manufacture, all the way through to the recreational products of the baseboard. And it's not just the components that we're actually making up the product with, it's the tooling behind it, the jigs, everything that supports that manufacturing process is developed using VISI. Well, VISI is extremely powerful, but it's very easy to use and it's extremely flexible. And from our point of view, when we're machining new tooling for the composites, being able to approach that particular tool with different machining strategies and have the flexibility to start to manipulate those different cutting paths is critical. We ship between 100 and 200 bespoke products to athletes around the world on the Olympic skeleton end. But that is changing very quickly now as we're moving into the baseboard domain and the recreational sled domain. We're looking at 5–10,000 of parts in the next 2 to 3 years, so we're very much going from a highly customizable product, low volumes, to a more of a mass market. We've been around CNC machines for 20 years. My background at BAE Systems, we were always working with machinists, but we'd never actually hands-on operated a CNC machine ourselves. So we went from 0 experience with a machine to producing complex 3D molded tools within a 4-month period. Without the VISI team, we wouldn't be in the position that we're in right now. You know, our products are out there this year winning medals in the World Cup, and that is primarily down to the fact that we're machining those components in-house. And the team has helped us every step of the way, from understanding, you know, the interaction of the software of the machine through the post-processor, all the way through to machining strategies and cutting tools at the other hand. So, you know, it's been an extremely important support program that we benefited from VISI. Our philosophy as a business is to partner with the world's best in other fields of engineering and technology. So, for example, with Nikon, with their fourth axis technology, with Mentor Graphics, with Hexagon roller arm technology, and with VISI, it's all about connecting with the world-leading organisations in those technology fields. And as an organisation is trying to help athletes win Olympic medals, you know, we need the world's best to help the world's best.